Yo, what's up? It's Monday 27th of June 2022. It's actually 10 to 10, believe it or not. The camera actually is pretty good in the darkishness. Right, this is the bolt that's come loose, and what we need to do is we need to drill a hole in the shaft at the exact correct spot so that bolt can be tightened in and then it just won't come out. I've had a good idea with regards to the tail. I've ordered a 60 centimeter extension for this, and I've got loads of these collars to join it together. What I'll actually do is the collars will be here, so the drive shaft is always joined on this side in between these two bearings, rather than joined on the end here. I hope that makes sense. I might do a drawing. So that will enable the drive shaft to come out quite a long way. Now what I'm thinking is, it's almost perfect here anyway, but if I make some kind of proper groove that runs all the way down the side, this tail will literally be able to slid as far in or out as I want. Because what I'm hoping is that this tail can be slid up so far that we can try it with a set of blades on the back, and then if that works I can maybe get rid of these. This is the bearing that is noisy. It's not doing it now. Let me give it a proper wazzer. No, it sounds all right, doesn't it? That is a cool ass looking blade setup. I doubt I'm going to stick with it because I'd prefer, one thing we haven't tried is we haven't tried the big set of blades on the back and the small set on the front. That's really what I want to try. So yeah, I won't be doing any more tonight because it is actually getting pretty dark, but I shall be cracking on with it tomorrow, and lots more to come from this beast. But yeah, some kind of bit here welded like a bracket, then the whole tail can slide all the way up to there, and I can just have a nut welded on and have a bolt that I could tighten up and it wouldn't move anywhere. So that would be sweet. And if I wanted to take the back blades off, then I could instantly drop the tail right back to where it is. Genius. And we won't have these ugly clamps here, okay? But I didn't know if it was going to work, so sometimes you've just got to bum it. Sorry, wrong word there. You've just got to rip it and dip it, and then bish bosh is a beauty. So yes, I shall hopefully see you tomorrow, God willing. Peace.